One thing that we've done,
An empty HDMI port that I can plug
so when
in.
you've got the top cover on,
Maybe.
And this is give it to me again. It's the Infinium.
the Infinium HD fiber panel. So
Okay.
we can do up to 96 fibers in a 1U.
Gotcha.
So it's very high density.
Yeah.
So it's
Do you want to do that versus this?
well,
If that,
sliding
let's see
front
if we can
panel.
do
I was gonna say if that doesn't work,
If not, we can do that.
I've used this at other
Okay.
wire
Front panel slides in and out.
Just grab their TV, boom, 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 and pop in, and then I'm on my iPad. And
So the front cover has no latches on it, so it's designed kind of like the old stereo glass cover, so you can pop it and it'll pop open or snap it shut. It's also designed to be toolless, so the mounting ears slide off without any screws, and they
Gotcha.
pop back on without requiring screws. The other neat thing about the mounting ears is, I don't know if you can notice, they're open on top and bottom. So it's designed to be installed by one person. So you can preset the screws in the rack, lay the fiber panel on there, and then tighten the screws down.
Like it.
Same thing with the fiber entry clamps, also toolless. So just a pull pin to click them on and
So
off.
you route your cables through that?
Right. So it comes with blanks already in there. So as you
Right.
apply
Depending
cable,
on the gauge.
yeah, it's just kind of a compression fitting. So as you tighten that down, it'll compress that rubber grommet around the
I
fiber.
like that a lot.
And then it comes with
Y'all thought through that.
fiber spools too. in
Yeah.
the back. So
Ready to go.
the other neat thing about it is we've got LED lights in the back too. So
Really?
if you're in a dark work environment, wiring closet or something like that, you can put those LED lights on and light it up. And we even designed this panel to be white, so it'll reflect the light to
Sure.
either further
Yeah.
brighten it up.
Sure.
So.
Right.
So yeah, the guy, our fiber engineer that designed this, used to be an installer. So he was
He gets it.
right.
And
So
you
he's
can,
like,
Jason,
what
you
can we
can
do?
tell. I mean, y'all really thought through this
Right.
thing.
And it also comes when you get it out of the box. It comes already prepackaged in a bubble wrap bag.
Right.
It's got a handle on it.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times in data centers, you're not allowed to have cardboard. So you can just pick up that bag with the fiber panel in it, carry that into the data center, and get it.
Gotcha.
So it's got some pretty cool features.
Yeah. Nice.